Israel has expanded its territorial control in Gaza, as evidenced by recent satellite imagery. This development underscores the ongoing tensions in the region and highlights the strategic maneuvers being undertaken by Israel to assert its influence. The implications of such territorial adjustments are significant, affecting regional stability and international diplomatic dynamics. Meanwhile, the UK has allocated a £20 million emergency fund to repair Ukraine's power grid, which has been severely damaged by Russian attacks. This move is part of the broader international effort to support Ukraine amidst ongoing conflict, emphasizing the UK's commitment to aiding its allies in maintaining essential infrastructure and resilience against external aggression. In a bid to enhance its global arms market presence, Pakistan is targeting a $13 billion defense export pipeline. This ambitious initiative marks a strategic shift for Pakistan, aiming to reposition itself as a credible mid-tier defense supplier. Such a move could significantly impact the country's economic landscape and its geopolitical standing, as it seeks to diversify its defense partnerships and reduce reliance on traditional allies. Taiwan is also making strategic adjustments by increasing its defense budget to bolster military capabilities amid regional tensions. This budgetary increase signals Taiwan's commitment to strengthening its defense posture in response to perceived threats, particularly from neighboring China. The move is likely to influence regional security dynamics and could prompt further military investments by other nations in the area. The Joint Interagency Task Force has made a significant acquisition by purchasing 2 DroneHunter F700 systems to counter small UAS threats. This marks the first purchase under the Replicator 2 initiative, reflecting the growing focus on enhancing homeland security against emerging aerial threats. The deployment of such systems is crucial for maintaining airspace integrity and protecting critical infrastructure. AgEagle Aerial Systems is relocating its operations to Texas, positioning itself for growth in the UAV sector. This strategic move aims to capitalize on the expanding market for unmanned aerial vehicles, which are increasingly being integrated into various sectors, including defense and commercial applications. The relocation is expected to enhance AgEagle's operational capabilities and market reach. The Defense Innovation Unit (DIU) is offering $100 million in prizes for developing a voice-controlled AI-enabled drone swarm orchestrator. This initiative aims to simplify operations and enhance the effectiveness of drone swarms in military applications. The focus on AI and autonomous systems highlights the ongoing technological advancements in defense capabilities, which are crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw a slight decline of 0.75%, closing at $177.07. This movement comes amidst broader market trends and the company's ongoing involvement in AI and data analytics, which are increasingly critical in defense and intelligence operations. Investors are closely watching Palantir's ability to leverage its technological expertise in securing new contracts and partnerships. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a decrease of 0.85%, closing at $378.57. This decline follows the announcement of the Joint Interagency Task Force's acquisition of DroneHunter systems, which could impact AeroVironment's market position in the UAS sector. The company's focus on innovation and adaptation to new market demands will be key to its future performance. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, surged by 5.09%, reaching $154.22. The company's strong performance is linked to Australia's Strategic Reserve Initiative, which targets critical minerals essential for defense electronics. Amphenol's role in supplying components for defense applications positions it well to benefit from increased demand driven by geopolitical shifts and supply chain realignments. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, rose by 2.52%, closing at $124.56. The positive sentiment surrounding Kratos is fueled by advancements in autonomous technologies and the company's strategic positioning in the defense sector. As the demand for innovative defense solutions grows, Kratos is well-placed to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, increased by 0.91%, closing at $577.89. The company's record delivery of 191 F-35s last year underscores its robust production capabilities and strong demand for its advanced fighter jets. This milestone reflects Lockheed Martin's pivotal role in the defense industry and its ability to meet the evolving needs of global military forces. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, also saw a rise of 2.11%, closing at $247.74. The company's performance is buoyed by the overall strength in the defense sector, driven by increased military spending and strategic initiatives. Boeing's diverse portfolio and global reach position it to benefit from ongoing defense procurement and modernization efforts. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Monitor defense stocks for opportunities amid increased military budgets. 2. Watch for AI advancements in defense as a growth vector. 3. Consider geopolitical impacts on defense supply chains.